Okay, I've showed something similar with this for ceiling fans in the past, where if you had three 60-watt bulbs, changing one bulb to a 40-watt bulb would stop the fan from turning off, the fan lights from turning off. This one, these were three LED lights. Changing one bulb is all it took to fix it. Now you can go on and change the other bulbs, or you can just change the one bulb, but changing the one bulb fixes it, and that's it. With three LED bulbs, for some reason, it just started flickering out, but changing that one bulb to a lower wattage or to a different wattage bulb, this one was a 40-watt bulb. At least you still got two LEDs left, but just kind of showing the deal. That was the fix for this one. Nice and easy. It worked just fine with any other bulbs, but those LED bulbs, you had to change at least one. And if you were eager to keep your usage really low, wattage usage really low, these ones are like a 7-watt LED light. Actually, these were a 5-watt. You could use a light. Fluorescent bulb instead, equivalent of a 40-watt bulb, or a 60-watt bulb, like a 13-watt fluorescent, but you need a candelabra base for these. And it'd have to be rated to be used in an enclosed fixture. But that way you could keep your wattage down and your electricity usage. Also, sometimes you can use a different brand LED bulb, and most of the times this doesn't happen, but if you run into it, it's just one of those things that it's kind of random and happens. This one, for some reason, just didn't like three of the same bulb. One of those things. Looking at these LED bulbs, they were a 5-watt LED bulb, so not a whole lot of energy used. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.